Hello, my name is Tanisha Bradley and this is my Unit 7 on Nutrition and the Digestive System. In this presentation, I will be explaining the roles and functions of the digestive system, the histology of organs within the digestive system, how enzymes help aid the digestive tract, and how to have a balanced diet. The digestive system, or better known as the alimentary canal, starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. It is roughly 8 to 10 meters long. It starts within the mouth where a process called mastication happens. This is the breaking down of food by teeth and salivary glands. This helps create a bolus. The bolus then travels down the esophagus. This is by the aid of gravity and an involuntary movement by the thorax. This is called paralysis. The bolus then moves down into the stomach, where the broken down food is churned into a substance which contains hydrochloric acid, which helps kill any harmful bacteria which may have entered the body. This also makes the broken down food into a liquid ready for the small intestine. The liquid then enters the small intestine, where absorption and digestion takes place with the aid of accessory organs such as the liver, which creates bile, the gallbladder where the bile is stored and helps aid fat digestion, as well as the pancreas where digestive enzymes are produced and released into the small intestine and mixed with the bile. It then moves down into the large intestine. This is where water and vitamins are absorbed within the body. The leftover then gets stored into the rectum and is then exited through the body as feces through the anus. How the liver helps aid digestion. The liver is on the right side of the body and has a structure of a cone and is brown in colour. The liver is one of the largest organs within the body. One of the key functions of the liver is filtering the blood and removing any harmful substances which may have entered the body during digestion. The liver also produces glucose, which helps aid digestion, and stores sugars consumed to help create new carbohydrates within the body to help supply energy. The liver is also responsible for producing bile, which is used to help digest any fats and oils. When the bile is produced, it is stored within the gallbladder and is moved through the bile ducts and then transported throughout the body. When the food enters the stomach, the substance is an acid-like substance. The bile then helps neutralise it into an alkaline so it can go into the small intestine. Mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion is the physical movement such as chewing, swallowing and the churning inside of your stomach. Chemical digestion occurs in the stomach and intestines, where enzymes and acids are used to help aid the breaking down of food. Chemical digestion and enzymes. Carbohydrates such as amylase can be found within the mouth, pancreas and small intestine. These help aid the breakdown of carbohydrates which create sugars, as you can see just here. Proteins can be found within the stomach, pancreas and small intestine and breaks down proteins creating amino acids. This one here. Lipids is found within the pancreas and small intestines and helps aid the breakdown of lipids. This one here. Histology of key digestive organs. Histology is the study of biological tissue by taking a sample and using different stains and dyes and examining it underneath a microscope. The stomach histology is made up of 4 layers, which includes the musca, which is the inner lining and produces gastric acid to aid digestion. Submusca, which is connected to the musca, as well as the muscarius and terna, which has a structure of 3 layers, which all go in various directions and aids in the turning of food. The stomach histology also has serosa, which is the outer lining of the stomach and acts as a protector by reducing friction and rubbing during any movement. The stomach histology also houses the gastric pits, which produces a substance, a mixture of hydrochloric acid, pepsin, lysine, and mucus. This is what helps turn the food. The histology of the durum. The durum is where the food is stored. The durum has 3 layers, which consist of the musca, which is lined with both villi and microvilli. These are small bumps which allow a larger area for absorption to occur. It also includes submusca, which is made up of connective tissue and is a pathway for blood vessels, veins, and nerves throughout the musca. The ileum is found within the small intestine and is connected through the large intestine and helps absorb sugars, fats, and amino acid. This is also made up of 4 layers, which includes the musca, which is also lined with villi and microvilli, submusca, which is the connective tissue around the intestines, and musculus, which is interna, and externa, which is smooth muscles and fibres, which help prevent rubbing again. The ileum also houses Peyer's patches, which contain long and thick sections of epithelial tissue, which help fight any antigens which may have entered through the body and could be harmful. Balanced diet. For the body to function correctly, you should aim to have a balanced diet. There are 7 requirements to make sure you have a balanced diet. These include carbohydrates, which provide the main source of energy within the body, protein, which is vital for repairing tissue and building muscle within the body, fats, which help store energy and promotes nerve functions, fibre, which aids digestion and healthy bowel movements, vitamins, which help the body grow and develop normal and keeps the skin healthy and helps aid a correct function of the nervous system. Minerals, which are normally found in nature, which help regulate fluid within the body and bone support, and water, which helps maintain blood pressure and digestion, as well as the growth of cells. Your diet should be made up of at least 50% of carbohydrates, which can be found in rice, pasta, and bread. Protein. It should also be made up of protein, such as meat, fish, and eggs and pulses. Fruit and vegetables, you should aim to at least have 5 portions per day. Dairy, such as milk and yogurt, it is recommended that you have around 700 milligrams of calcium per day. Oils on spreads, which can be found in butters and vegetable oils and can be a source of vitamin C. You should aim to have at least 40 grams of vitamin C per day. It is also recommended that you have 6 to 8 cups of water per day. And with foods with high sugar content should be limited but not stopped. Dietary imbalances and how to prevent disease and health issues. If the body doesn't have a balanced diet, you can be at risk of many health issues such as malnutrition. This is when the body isn't getting the correct nutrients and can pose multiple health risks such as starvation symptoms. The symptoms of starvation include increased heart rate, anemia, and weakness. Another example of malnutrition is overeating and having a diet which consists of fatty fatty and sugary acids. This can give you a higher chance of developing diabetes and high cholesterol, which in time can lead to heart disease. Types of nutrient deficiencies, which can be caused by an unbalanced diet. A calcium deficiency weakens bones by making them more risk of breaking. Vitamin A deficiency can affect your eyes and can make you go temporarily or permanently blind over time. Vitamin B12 deficiency, which is also known as folate deficiency anemia, which over time, if untreated, can affect your breathing, joints and hearts. When you have deficiencies, you may also experience other symptoms such as persistent illness, high risk of infections, as your body isn't healing correctly or enough, and in some cases death. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation on Unit 7. Thank you.